Welcome to this brief training module that will guide you through the Groove G30 setting up IP for DCN connectivity. The DCN, Data Communications Network, provides connectivity between Groove G30s and the Network Operations Center. The DCN IP details will always be supplied in advance of an installation and is applied locally by connecting your PC to ETH1 port and following the next steps. As in earlier module, the IP address of Groove G30 is by default as listed here. We have set up our PC's Ethernet interface with an IP address in the same range and connect it directly to the ETH1 port. So we open a browser, and in this example, we have entered the IP address for you. Press Enter to submit the address. The account name on a newly configured Groove G30 is always Administrator. Type in Administrator and press the Tab key. And the password on a newly configured G30 is always E2E !N for you hash. Type in the password and this time press the Enter key. The G30 graphical user interface dashboard is then loaded. Begin the DCN management configuration by selecting Setup menu, which is highlighted. Followed by Networking menu. By default, ETH2 and 3 ports are reserved for DCN management. In this example, we are going to set up the Ethernet 2 port. Select Edit icon for ETH2 port to proceed. In this example, we are going to set up a static IP. So change IPv4 assignment from DHCP to static. Click on IP assignment drop-down list. And select IP assignment as static. Next, type in the new IP address for ETH2 port. In this example, the IP 10.10.11.42. Once you have done this, press Tab. And the new prefix length as 28. Type the new prefix 28 and press Tab. Select the Submit button to record the new settings on Groove G30. Next step is to configure a static route. This will establish connectivity between Groove G30 and the NOC computers, as they are located in different subnets. Static route is created by pointing the G30 to the NOC subnet address via its default gateway IP address. Remember, static routes are unidirectional, thus NOC computers also need a route creation pointing to the G30s. The static route details will always be supplied in advance of installation and is applied locally by connecting your PC to ETH1 port. Select the Interface Configure button to set up a static route. Begin by selecting the interface. Click on IF Name drop-down. Select the interface ETH2. Next, type in the static IP address, the same configured on ETH2 port. So type in the IP address 10.10.11.42 and press Tab. And now enter the gateway IP. In this example, the gateway IP address is 10.10.11.33. Once you have done this, press Tab. Change the prefix length to 28. Type the prefix length 28 and press Tab. Select the Submit button to record the new settings on Groove G30. Let's now test the new DCN management configuration by connecting your PC to ETH2 port. Next, you need to change the IP address of your computer to something in the same subnet of this port. So we open a browser, and in this example, we have entered the ETH2 port IP address for you. Press Enter to submit the address. Once the login page appears, you have confirmed that the new settings have been applied. Now it's time to test the end-to-end connectivity. So from the NOC computers, open a browser, and in this example, we have entered the G30 ETH2 port IP address for you. Press Enter to submit the address. Once the login page appears, you have confirmed the connection success. And this concludes this training module. By now, you should know how to configure the DCN management port, add a new static route, test the new DCN, and check the end-to-end connectivity to Groove G30. Well done on completing this training module, which will continue to be available on our learning management system. You can use the scroll bar to review any part of the training unit, or you can close the window and this module will be recorded as being complete.